Science 8, Quarter 1, Calculating Kinetic Energy. What's up mga Dilos Aces? Good morning! Ayan, andito na naman tayo sa panibagong episode ng Learning Science with Sir Japoy. Kamusta po? Ayan, so kahapon pinagtalakayan natin ang tungkol sa potential energy. Nalaman natin na ang potential energy pala ay ang stored form of energy or the energy at rest or the energy waiting to be released at ang energy na napoposes ng object due to its position and internal structure. Pinag-aralan din natin kung paano mag-calculate ng potential energy, specifically ng gravitational potential energy, gamit ang formula na potential energy is equal to mass times gravity times height. Ngayon naman ipag-aralan naman natin ang pag-calculate ng isa pang form of energy na tinatawag nating kinetic energy. Ang kinetic energy is the energy in motion. It is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion or energy possessed by moving objects. May dalawa lang na factor na nakakaapekto dito sa ating kinetic energy at ito ay ang kanyang mass at saka ang object's velocity. Paano nga ba i-calculate ang kinetic energy? Gagamitin natin ang formula na kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mass times velocity squared. So, or KE equals to 1/2 mv squared. Halimbawa, let us say for example this problem. Ang sabi ng problem, a 200 kg object has a velocity of 5 meter per second. What is the kinetic energy? Yan. So, gagamitin pa rin natin ang ating GRESA method. First step, alamin natin ang given. So, ang given natin ay mass na 200 kg at velocity na 5 meter per second. Anong required or anong nawawala? Siyempre, ang kinetic energy. Anong equation ang gagawin? KE equals to 1/2 mv squared. For our solution, we will just substitute the value. We will have 1/2 of 200 kg multiply with 5 meter per second squared. So we will have 100 kg times 25 meters squared per second squared. If we're going to multiply 100 with 25, we will have a product of 2,500 kg meter squared per second squared. Or our final answer would be kinetic energy is equal to 2,500 joules because the official unit of energy is joules. That's it. That's how you calculate for the kinetic energy of an object. That's all for today. Bye!